Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to mention someone in your Instagram story using your Android phone. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, open your Instagram application. Now, let's create a story. Click your story. Just take a photo or you can put a color background by tapping this one. Just choose a color you want. Example, yellow. Just long press at the center and click check. Now, the first method to mention someone in your Instagram story is by typing their name. Just click this one, type at, and the name of your friend you want to mention. Now, let's tap check. That's the first method. The second method to mention someone in your Instagram story is by clicking this sticker icon and tap at mention. If you are done, just click your story. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!